Right. So the distance between the charge Q2 and Q4 is root 2 into A. Root 2 into. Now what is the net force on charge Q2? Now Q1, Q2 positive charge, it will exert repulsive force in this direction. This is force on 2 due to 1. Due to 1. The same way, Q3 also exert repulsive force. These two are acting in this direction. This direction. This is force on 2 due to 3. Okay, this is force on 2, force on 2 due to 3. Now we can write force on 2 due to 1 is K into Q2 Q1 by A square. F23 is K Q2 Q3 by A square. If charges are same, forces will be same. As charges are different, forces will be different. Now, these two are at 90 degrees. Now, the resultant of these two will act in this direction. This is a resultant of F21 and F23. So we can cancel these two and we can take only this direction because effective of these two will be along this direction. Now Q4 is positive, Qt is also positive. This is also exerting repulsive force. Repulsive force that is acting in this direction. This is force on 2 due to 4. Due to 4. Now force on 2 due to 4 will be equal to K into Q2 Q4 by what is distance? Root 2A. Now root 2A whole square. Root A whole square. Now what is the net force on Q2? Resultant of F21 and F22 is acting in this direction. Q24 is also acting, F24 is also acting in this direction. That means these two, sum of these two are in the same direction. That means net force will be, now net force on charge Q2 is equal to F24 plus resultant of F21 and F23. Why? Resultant of F21 and F23, F24 are along the same direction. Then we can add both the values. This is the net force on, that is the net force on Q2 charge. This is how we can calculate. Now, in general, if they want to ask in the NEET examination, as 1 minute is there, they will give equal charges. Equal charges means these two forces will be equal. Then we can simplify in a less time. Less time we can simplify the numerical. And also this is squaring charges values and the K values, cancelling like that. So they will frame a question with values will be similar. So cancelling values or multiple values like that, simple values they will give. Then mathematics will becomes very easy while asking NEET question. While asking the same model in the JEE mains examination, they will do charges values are different with not multiples of K. For example, K value 9 into 10 power 9. So charges value they will give in terms of millicoulombs or microcoulombs like that. Then those values will cancel and the simple values you will get as a force. But in the case of JEE mains question, they will do charges values differently, not related to K value. That means they will not cancel. So they need to go for calculations they have to do and simplify taking some time because they allotted 2 minutes for a question. Then they can go for. But model is the same. So whatever may be the JEE mains examination or NEET examination, model will be same. Mathematical they will get simplified for the NEET examination. Okay, to complete the question within 1 minute, not like all the. So the questions which are more than 1 minute taking more than 1 minute taking type of questions are also there in the NEET examination, but they are very less in number. So 5 to 6, the maximum 8 number of questions they will give. They will take more than 1 minute. So it means remaining questions they will complete within, by seeing the question within fraction of 10 to 20 seconds. Some questions we can solve. That means time where we are getting saved, while conceptual questions they are giving, there we can take only 10 to 20 seconds. Remaining 40 seconds we can use for difficult questions where we are facing. So like that they will arrange the question paper. That means 40 questions, so one question should complete within 1 minute, not like that. So some questions we can complete within 20 to 30 seconds. Some questions 1 hour, that means 1 minute 30 seconds. That means 30 seconds we saved at one question, and that 30 seconds we can use for difficult questions. So like that the question paper they will fail. But when you're seeing overall 45 number of questions, those 45 number of questions, so short student we have to complete within 1 minute. Like that they will make the question paper. But in general, while solving the physics question paper, everybody, most of the students, those who are scored above 140, above 140, 150, like the students will take at least 1 hour 15 minutes. They will take for physics to complete all the 45 questions to get a good score. So because of reason, they will save time during biology and chemistry. So chemistry they'll take 45 minutes, like that they take, and means biology we are getting 45 plus 45 90 questions, but within 35 to 40 minutes merit student will complete 35 to, that means so those who scoring around 700 650 plus, those students when you're taking feedback from those students, they have been completing this their papers, their biology, that means both botany and zoology, within 35 to 40 minutes. That means those 45 minutes extra, you can use extra 40 minutes, at least half an hour they can uh, spend for physics. That means 45 plus 30 minutes, that means 1 hour 15 minutes. Remaining 10 minutes, they, if needed, means they can use in the case of chemistry, because where physical chemistry is there, some calculations based type of numerical subject, means they can use 50 to 55 minutes for chemistry and 40 minutes. That means in within 145 minutes, you have to complete total 90 questions related to biology. So then only you can get sufficient time to solve the numericals related to physics. Okay. So other than that, if you are distributed equal time for all the four, that means botany, zoology, chemistry, and physics, both 45 minutes means, so you can able to solve only 25 to 30 questions. If you allotted 45 minutes as prescribed by the NEET examination, based on that, if you allotted 45 minutes means we can able to solve 25 to 30, 26 to 28 questions. Those many number of questions you can solve within 45 minutes. Okay. So that means to answer more number of questions, you should allot at least half an hour more than. So this year, a student, those who he secured 175 mark, he spent 1 hour 20 minutes for physics to secure the score 175 by 180. Okay, like that previous year, like that students when they're taking feedback, so they are allotting more time for solving numerical related to this. Okay. So 1 hour 50 minutes, like that you need to preparation. That means the type of practice you should do while writing weekend examinations and all. So then that will become so habit to solve the question paper. Okay. This is a model. So what happened when is okay. This is how we can calculate force, resultant force. Sometimes to simplify the question, for example, square, same type of square they will give. This is of Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. These are diagrams. Okay. Now one charge is placed at this point, at this point. Now what is the resultant force on this charge Q5, which is placed at center of the square? Now Q1 will exert repulsive force on this, all are positive, like this. This is force on 5 due to 1. Q3 will exert repulsive force like this. This is force on 5 due to 3. Now this resultant, if this is greater means resultant will be in this direction. For example, we can take this is resultant force. F5 is greater. Okay, right. In the same way, Q4 will exert repulsive force in this direction. This is force on 5 due to 4. Q2 will exert repulsive force in this direction. This is force on 5 due to 2. For example, F5 is greater. F5 is greater. Now, the resultant will be in this direction. Now, what is the net force on this Q5? Is acting. So, resultant of these two is acting in this direction. Resultant of these two is acting in this direction. In this direction. Now, net force will be like this. This is the direction of the net force. Okay. They will give A, B, C, D. Direction of the net force is along. Direction of net force is along. So option A to D. Option B, D to A. D to A. Option C, D to C. Option D, B to A. A to D. That means A to D upside. So this is the correct option. D to A. D to A means downwards, not D to C like this, not B to A like this. That is also not A to D. So if they want to, this is NCERT exercise question. This NCERT exercise question, and also previously they asked in AIPMT examination. So simply direction. That means now problem is same, but they simplified the question. So this question they will ask for the NEET examination. Okay. So by giving values to the Q1, Q2, Q3 values differently they will give, and they will give these values. And that means some of the students are thinking this type of lengthy questions they won't ask in the NEET examination. They will ask for JEE Mains examination. So we can't, no need to prepare this type of questions. Like that misleading of students are there sometimes. The same model of question they will simplify and they will ask in the examination. That's the reason we can compare previous, it means before this JEE Mains examination, you call it as AIEEE, All India Engineering Entrance Examination. Like AIPMT before 2013, AIPMT, All India Pre-Medical Test, how we call it as NEET examination. AIEEE, like that we are calling JEE Mains examination. So when comparing previous model of questions, so concepts, models, and all are same. But asking of question is different for JEE Mains and that is the reason in physics point of view, both are national level examinations. Models and concepts are everything is same. But where mathematical lengthy calculations and somewhat application oriented integrations, derivations like that, lengthy calculation based type of questions they will ask in the case of JEE Mains examination. That is the reason. So sometimes students are getting doubt this type of questions they won't ask in NEET. They will ask only JEE Mains examination like that. So we can compare previous JEE Mains questions they asked in NEET examination. So previous NEET examination with some extension they asked in previous JEE Mains questions also. Okay. This is force between. Next, infinite number of charges. So Q1 charge, Q2 charge, Q3 charge, Q4, so on, infinite number of charges are placing like this. Now, what is the net force on charge which is placed at origin? So this is 2 meter from here to here, 2 meter from here to here, 4 meter from here to here, 8 meters, like that they will give distances. Okay. Now Q1 will exert a repulsive force on not 1, force on 0, 2, force on 0, 3, like that infinite number of forces will. So by adding this, we'll get GP series. GP series. In the case of GP series, we can go with A by 1 minus R. A by 1 minus R. So A is the first term, R is common ratio. So by using this mathematical simplification, we can simplify the numerical. This is infinite. Infinite number of charges are placing and net force acting on any one of the charge which is placed at the origin. Okay. So these are the model of questions they may ask in the related. So not only this, like that charge is sign changing and direction. Because of sign changes means positive negative charges, sign changes means force direction will change. So according to that, we should practice the numerical. So this same type of model of numericals also will present in the case of electric field also. Electric field. Okay. Now force between the multiple charges, we can see 1 or 2 questions. Then we can. Coulombs are related questions. Yesterday we discussed already. See this question. 3 identical charges are placed at the vertices of an equilateral triangle. The force exerted by each, the force experienced by each charge is. Each charge is. Now, this is an equilateral triangle. Three identical charges. This is Q, this is Q, and this is also Q. 3 identical charges are placed at vertices of an equilateral triangle. So sides are, this is R, options are in R. So R. The force experienced by each charge, any one of the charge we can take. For example, this charge will take, it will exert repulsive force like this. This will exert repulsive force like this. Charges are same, distances are same. Then F is equal to K into Q square by R square. Q square by R square. Now, net force will be equal to 2F cos theta by 2. Equal forces means we already discussed 2F cos theta by 2. Now this is 2 into F value is K value. In terms of K only options are there, we can keep K value. K into Q square by R square into cos theta by 2. What is this angle? Equilateral triangle 60 degree. So this is 60 degree. So cos 60 by 2, cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Now root 2 cancel. Root 3 K Q square by R square. Root 3 K Q square by R square. This is AIMS 2016 question. As from 2020 onwards, AIMS and JIPMERS are also under NEET. So the seats belongs to AIMS and JIPMER also filled filled through the NEET score only. So then we can go with this model of numericals also. Okay. So if you understood the situation means solving the numerical is very easy. Okay. Right. Next, see this question. 4 charges plus Q minus Q minus Q are placed on the circumference of a circle of radius R. This type of question so far not asked in NEET examination. We'll see simple how we can calculate. What is the force on charge plus Q placed at the center of the circle as shown in the figure? As this is circle, this is radius, this is also radius, this is also radius, this is also radius. R is the same. R is the same. Now this is plus Q will exert repulsive force like this. This is minus Q will exert attractive force like this. This will positive exert repulsive force like this. This is negative, it will exert attractive force like this. Now 2F is acting in this direction. 2F is acting in this direction and 2F is acting in this direction. So FO, FO, 2FO, FO, FO, 2F acting in like this. Now these two are at 90 degree. Now what is the net force? Net force will be root over 2F whole square plus 2F whole square. 2F whole square. Now 4F square plus 4F square, that is 8F square. This is 8F square. This is root 8 into F. Root 8 into F, because forces distance are same, charges are also same. And the reason we have added directly. Root 8 into F. What is the force? Any force we can get from this. Now force F is equal to K is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, because the options are in 1 by 4. That is the reason we have taken. Now what is this? Charges are Q into Q. This is Q square by now Q into capital Q by what is distance R. So R square. Now in the place of F, we can substitute 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q capital Q by R square. So this is the option. Okay, so these are all the model of numericals. Simply we are taking like charges are repel, unlike charges are attract, and based on the principle of superposition. So by using all these all two things, we are solving all these type of numericals. This is related to electric field.